Beat him up, Michaela. Get him. Get him. Beat him up. Kick his butt, Michaela.
You go boom.
Kick his butt.
Look at Uncle Randall say, I'm not scared of you. Tell him, say, I'm not scared of you.
Okay, I think she just hurt her hand.
Michaela, say, I'm not scared of
She
you.
hurt her hand.
Oh no, the Michaela fingers.
Her wrist because she hit me right here and then.
Say, don't hurt me.
See, I ain't hurting her. She's
Say,
hurting
bring it on,
herself.
big boy.
Tell him, say, bring it on, Barbie.
What?
Sigmund died years ago, but many still performing with you occasionally a few pranks.
Say, bring it on, Barbie. I can take anything you dish out.
Oh.
It's one of those save me at, baby.
Go get him, Michaela. His back's turned. Hurry.
Back.
Get him.
Say, bring it on, big boy.
Back. I'm in the kitchen. I gotta open the oven. You need to go back in there, okay?
Come here, baby girl.
Back and play with you just a second.
Excuses.
I'll play with you just a second.
She tried to pull him back in there.
You about burnt yourself.
He always appears
Boo-boo, yeah.
wearing a top hat.
Ring around the cup. She just set her butt down on her cup, Brandel.
She did.
Kind of like she's at the doctor's office.
Ow! Is it this bigger? Not worry.
By Steve Thurber. It happened one evening.
No.
Hey, Michaela.
I've heard.
Oh.
Michaela, come here. Come here, I want to take a picture.
He told me not to open that door, so I pulled up
I don't want to hold on.
with. And
Come here, you little booger.
why? And I said, no, just do not open that door. And they did anyway.
Come here, booger.
They opened the door.
Say love you.
Large figure.
Say hi.
Hi.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Wearing old-time skirt.